Hi and welcome to this how-to about installing Synaptic. The problem with Ubuntu software is that they not found all package. The solution for this is to install another package handling program alongside Ubuntu Program Center. There is two main ways to install Synaptic: the graphical way and the terminal way. If you don't are an experienced computer user, the graphical way is normally the best for you, if it works. Because sometimes Ubuntu software don't find Synaptic, and the only way you can install Synaptic in that case is through the terminal. And now open up the Program Center and wait for it to load. Search for Synaptic. The top choice is the right one, and now install. And now give the password for an account which have administrative privilege. When the installation is finished, close Software Center. Formally, you should be able to use Synaptic directly now, but my experience is that it works better if you restart your computer before you use Synaptic. Synaptic are, after all, a system program. And after reboot, the program will be ready to be used. To be able to install Synaptic through the terminal, you need to be able to escalate your account to root. You can test this by giving sudo -i and the password. And if you become root now, you have the necessary privilege to install program. And log out as root with help of exit. To install program, we need to temporarily escalate our account to root. And you do that with help of sudo. The software to install program is Advanced Package Tool and have a shortcut for APT. We tell APT what we should do and install. And now what we should install. That is probably enough. Yes. And enter. Wait little. Advanced Package Tool also fixed the dependency. So they say here what more they want to install. And if you press enter, the default answer is yes. And now wait for the installation to be finished. It is a good practice to restart the computer after installing Synaptic. If you are on a server which don't have a graphical interface, you're doing a reboot with help of sudo reboot. But because this is a graphical system, I simply give exit and doing a reboot the normal way. And after reboot, the program will be ready to be used. after a restart, the icon for Synaptic have been changed. If you install Synaptic through the terminal, you will don't have this icon, but you can still find the program here by simply search it. Synaptic are run with root privilege. The first time you start the program, you will encounter this information window, which explain what the package manager is and how to use it. If it was a long time ago you update your package list, it's good practice to do it here. But I have an updated package list in the computer, so I go directly to search. And if I want to install a program, I simply look it up here. So the search engine is the quickest way. And here I see the package which match my search, and the top choice is the computer game Symmetrans. So I simply check this box. And now they check for dependency, and I also confirm that I want the other package too. And to start the installation, I simply click apply. And confirm the changes. And now wait. That was everything I have to show you. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. If you plan to decommission hard drive or computer, I have a mini-series about destruction of data on hard drive, so the data don't falling into wrong hand. Thank you for your time.